So this video today I'm making is for everybody who's looking for Enchanté level 1, 2, 3 and 4 online, the PDF for this book. I suppose that everybody I know has a PDF for this book because we've been teaching for like 3 months now. Since April we have online classes with our schools, respective schools. But I can see that there are still a few teachers who are struggling with the PDF of this book. So I really thought of making this video so that I can tell you that, see, the PDF, the publisher hasn't provided the PDF for the whole book, but he has provided the PDF for the first 3 chapters. But now, going by the situation, the current scenario, we know that the schools will not reopen for another 1 month or maybe 2 months. So what we can do is, since we do not have the PDF after the 3rd chapter, we can download the PDF of each chapter from their website. As we all know that Enchanté, the publisher is Rachna Sagar. So here what we'll do is, we'll directly go to their website and I'll tell you how to download each chapter from there. So we will type go web rachnasagar.com. So here we have the page, the website of the publisher. Now here I'm assuming that everybody who's asking for the PDF of this book Enchanté on every platform, be it Instagram, be it Facebook, I'm assuming that you are teachers in schools and you have this book in your school, right? So what you can do is, you need to contact your the Rachna Sagar dealer or the Rachna Sagar responsible in your area. You can contact that person. He will give you the user ID and the password to log into their web page here, which is Go Web Rachna Sagar. So I already have it, so I'll log in from that. So here this page opens here. So what we do here is, first of all, we select the CBSE board, right? And after that, select class. So while we're selecting class, we'll drag down to the bottom and we'll select level 1. So this level 1 is the level 1 of Enchanté or the level 1 of Akai. Since Rachna Sagar has 2 books, Akai and also Enchanté. So automatically the textbook and the French column is selected. Now we'll drag down the select book. So here we select Enchanté and click on go. So here we get 2 options here, web support and test generator. I really feel that I'll make another video telling everybody how to use their website here, because it's very useful. It has amazing material. It also has videos on every chapter. It has the exercises there. It has a grammar part. It has a pronunciation of the vocabulary. It's really nice, and I think when we have the resource with us, we should use it. So right now, we'll click on web support. So here we have the book. We'll quickly select the book here. Now we have the chapters. So for example, we want the PDF for lesson 0. Select on lesson 0. So we have all the options here. We'll select the PDF. Now, this will take a little time to download. So once the whole book is downloaded, see, it's there, it's downloaded. My internet really helped me today. So it's there. Now we'll download the PDF from here. It'll automatically be downloaded in your system. So it's downloaded. It takes only 2 minutes to download the chapter from here. So here the whole book cannot be downloaded. The publisher hasn't given, Rachna Sagar hasn't given the whole the PDF of the whole book. But then we can easily find the chapters here, open the chapters and download the chapter from here. For example, we again go back, we open lesson 8 and we click on PDF. So now the PDF will open. This time it's taking a little longer time. So once it's done, we'll again click on download, and then we can download it anywhere in the system, and it's very easy, the easiest way to do this, and you don't really have to run after the PDF and everything. You just open the chapter and you can teach online. So it's about to be done here. Yes, it's done now. So we'll again download from here. We'll download from here, and we can easily download in the system, and that is it. So thank you so much for watching my video here, and I hope it helps all the people there who really looking for the chapters of this book. You really don't have to struggle with the PDF, the whole book. You can very easily download the specific chapters which you're teaching at that moment. Thank you so much.